Module Overview. This module is designed to offer a comprehensive and advanced understanding of the materials, tools, equipment, and studio environment essential for effective practice in both printmaking and textile art. The success of any print or textile artwork depends heavily on the quality, compatibility, and preparation of materials used, as well as the artist's mastery of tools and command of space. This module not only explores traditional and modern materials, but also emphasizes health and safety, environmental responsibility, equipment ergonomics, and studio workflow management. It prepares you to set up a versatile, functional, and safe studio, whether it is a compact home-based space or a full-scale production environment. The module blends theory with applied techniques and offers a deep dive into experimental approaches, eco-conscious material sourcing, and the digital evolution of the art-making process.
Classification of tools and materials. For printmaking, matrix materials: wood, plywood, cherry, birch. For woodcut, linoleum; for linocut, copper, or zinc; for intaglio, etching; mesh for screen printing. Acrylic sheets and plastic plates for collagraph and monoprint cutting and engraving tools. Gouges, V and U shapes. Burins, chisels, drypoint needles, inking tools, Brayers, rollers, palette knives, ink knives. Printing inks: oil-based, water-based, soy-based, UV-cured, solvent-based. Pressing tools: etching presses, barin, spoon, lithographic press registration tools, T-bars, pin registration systems, paper alignment guides. For textile art, fabrics: natural, cotton, silk, wool, hemp, linen, synthetic, polyester, rayon, nylon, spandex. Blends for specific dye uptake and surface treatments. Threads and yarns: embroidery floss, mercerized cotton, jute, sisal, metallic threads. Dyes and pigments: natural dyes, indigo, madder, turmeric, onion skin.
Synthetic dyes: reactive, acid, vat, dispersed dyes. Fabric paints, pigments with binders. Resist agents: wax, batik, rice paste, catazome, cassava starch, adhere, soy paste. Tools for surface treatment: brushes, stencils, silk screens, block stamps. Textile embellishment tools: sewing needles, embroidery hoops, beads, sequins, applique tools. Studio setup and organization: lighting: natural and adjustable white light for color accuracy. Ventilation: crucial when working with inks, solvents, dye zones. Dry zone: sketching, cutting, planning. Wet zone: inking, dyeing, washing. Print zone: where matrices are printed. Textile drying zone: racks, drying lines, ventilated tables. Storage: cabinets for chemicals, inks, and delicate fabrics. Waste management: separation of organic, inorganic, and hazardous waste. Use of eco-safe disposal systems. Sustainable and eco-friendly practices: biodegradable solvents and cleaners, e.g. citrus-based, plant-based dyes and mordants, recycled fabric sources, thrifted textiles, production, remnants. Low VOC inks and soy-based printmaking pigments. Upcycled print substrates like handmade paper or discarded newsprint, promoting zero-waste pattern cutting, fabric scraps reuse, compost dye residues.
Digital tools and hybrid materials: digital sketching tablets, e.g. Wacom iPad Pro, for textile design mockups. DTG, direct-to-garment printers, sublimation printers, vinyl cutters. Software like Adobe Illustrator, vector textile and surface pattern design. Photoshop, layering textures and print preparation. Procreate, CorelDRAW, Inkscape. Material preparation techniques: fabric scouring, removing sizing and finishes to allow proper dye absorption. Pre-washing and stretching of canvas. Seasoning wooden blocks for durability. Preparing emulsions for screen printing. Fabric mordanting with alum, iron, or tannin for color-fast dyeing. Safety protocols and hazard management: use of gloves, goggles, and aprons. Safe storage of flammable solvents. Proper labeling of chemical containers. Knowledge of material safety data sheets, MSDS, first aid readiness, and chemical neutralizers. Evaluating material quality: grain direction and absorbency of print paper, thread count, GSM, grams per square meter, and weave structure, light fastness and wash fastness of dyes ink, viscosity and drying time, tactility and drape of fabric. Learning outcomes. By the end of Module 2, you should be able to identify and categorize traditional and modern tools for both printmaking and textile art, prepare and care for materials effectively to ensure quality outcomes, design and organize a safe, efficient, and eco-responsible art studio, integrate both analog and digital materials and tools seamlessly, evaluate, source, and test materials for quality, sustainability, and compatibility with intended techniques.